What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back again to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. You probably heard about two custom ROMs, MIUI VN Edition and MIUI Enhanced Edition. Redmi Note 8 already got the MIUI Enhanced Edition, so we've installed that, and MIUI VN Edition is available for some of the devices, and you can get the link for all of the supported devices is in the description. You can see we have almost same kind of things. MIUI Enhanced version features are already present in MIUI VN Edition. For example, if you check out this connection and sharing options, the features are basically same, but some extra features are already there in MIUI VN Edition. We are talking about MIUI Plus beta version and etc, etc. Everything is there. I'm not gonna talk about the MIUI VN advanced setting options because that everyone knows that's not present in the MIUI China beta MIUI enhanced version, so we're not gonna talk about that. You can see brightness level also has the night mode related settings available in MIUI VN Edition, which you don't get in the MIUI Enhanced Edition. By the way, we have the MIUI Enhanced Edition based on China version, so yes, the things might be different, might be same. Exceptions are always there. Home screen, the default launcher has some extra things. Let me show you the customizations which you get in the MIUI VN Edition. First of all, you can see the -1 screen, but in China MIUI Enhanced you only get the avert option. And the thing is home screen layout. You can see in China you only have the 4:6 or 5:6, but in MIUI VN Edition you have a lot of layout options available for you. You can choose from 4:6 to 7 by something, and yes, it's quite amazing. If you want to customize the home screen layout like a pro, then it's a good choice for you. Arrange items and recents, of course everything is same. Arrange items and recents in One OS, you get some extra features there, but everything else is same. I'm thinking about providing a review of, I'm thinking about providing you a video regarding the difference between some MIUI modes. So you can comment below. I'll try to include that combination, that difference. So I will try to, by the way, in the terms of other options, password and security. Here you can see the security option is a different one in MIUI VN Edition, which you don't get in the MIUI Enhanced version yet. The security app, or you can say the security version, is basically from MIUI 13. So yes, MIUI VN is basically has the features from MIUI 13, but MIUI 12.5 Enhanced is a stable version of Enhanced which we have installed, so I don't think so there are any MIUI 13 features yet. You can see the security options, of course, kinda same. There are no major differences here. This is you only get in the MIUI VN Edition. I'm just comparing these two builds. I'm not comparing any MIUI ROM either right now. The battery options, and here you can see power, balanced and performance. This is the option from MIUI Enhanced, which is already present in the MIUI VN Edition. Basically, MIUI VN Edition is a combination of MIUI Enhanced Edition features plus MIUI 13 features, and MIUI 12.5 enhanced these features. I'm using the stable version. This is not a modded MIUI. This is exactly MIUI 12.5 enhanced version, which is officially rolled out for the Redmi Note 8 users, but in China, not in global, not in India. But MIUI VN Edition is kinda a modded MIUI ROM, so yes, the things might be different. Bugs might be different. Of course, it's MIUI, so just don't expect much things. You can see everything else I've already shown you. Let's just talk about the Game Turbo here, because Game Turbo also plays an important role. The Game Turbo, which you already know, Game Turbo 4.0, yes, that's in MIUI 13, so that's why it's included in the MIUI VN Edition, but in MIUI 12.5 Enhanced Edition it's not there. If you want to give it a try, link for both of the build supported devices, everything is in the description and already listed on my website www.techkiran.co.in. You can visit and check out all these things. These are things I just want to let you know. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.